Good day, everyone, and thank you so much for watching the McAllen Cable Network. I'm Roxanne Lerma. Now, we've been hearing so much about our De Leon Soccer Complex, so we figured, well, it's probably prime time for an update. Who better to help us out with that than Miss Sally Gavlik, our Parks Director. Sally, thanks for joining us.
You're quite welcome. We love being out here at this site.
Okay, so lots of activity buzzing around.
Yes.
What's going on?
We're actually working on the fountain area here that will have interactive fountain so that we can put different colors in the lights for different times of the year. They're working on the irrigation systems for the actual soccer fields. They're doing our pond over here, finishing it so that we can get water in it and build the seating area around it. As you can see behind me, we have our playground that's already in, and it's a diversified playground. It's not your standard one because this is an athletic, healthy sports area. So this is a climbing apparatus, and the kids can literally climb all over it, play fort, play chase, and those types of things. So it's really an interactive playground. But we're still on schedule. We're still looking at May to have this completed, although it will not be open until August with our grand opening because we want time for the grass to grow, and we don't want people on here too early. And summertime's our prime time for getting our grass to grow.
But we're still on schedule. I mean, and we're looking right now, around the March area, and you're saying by May all of this will be done?
Yes, that's what they're still shooting for. And the company here that we're dealing with, they are great to work with. And, they have had crews out here and multiple crews out here working in different areas. Over behind me also are the bleachers, and we ordered 1,900 more bleachers that are being installed now. So we'll actually have 3,800 seats on our stadium bleacher field.
Okay, so when folks hear soccer complex, I think they think, okay, it's only going to be a sporting venue for soccer, but it's so much more than that.
It really is. We set it up to where we have electricity all over. We can have festivals out here. This promenade where the fountains will be would be great to have an outdoor art show. And then the stadium will be set up to where, in addition to soccer and football, we can have concerts out there, and just do a variety of things. We wanted this not only to be soccer, but a multi-purpose park.
So if we're thinking maybe like an arts and crafts type of a festival, or maybe, we have our very famous Tamale Festival, then now we can cater to those folks right here.
Yes, we can. And in fact, the Tamale Festival, we've already been in meetings with them. Last year they were on the south side. This year they're going to be here on the north side, so we can coordinate it better with the marathon.
Okay, and so for the actual sporting events, is it only for soccer as well, or is it for all sports across the board?
No, we have the stadium field plus 2 other fields that can be used for football. So we'll be able to have Pop Warner here. And in fact, we could have a football tournament and a soccer tournament going on at exactly the same time the way the fields are set up.
We're just that good that we can do it simultaneously.
That's right. We're just that good.
Okay, so we can cater to football, we can cater to soccer. Is there anything else?
Concerts, art shows, special events. We can cater to a variety of groups out here.
Okay, so I'm super excited about the fountains because you said that we can kind of coordinate lights, and
Yes.
I mean, that is so neat.
Right. We're already looking forward to having green lights for St. Patrick's Day next year, red and green for Christmas time. And that's one thing we wanted, people really like having water. So in every one of our parks we've been designing, we either have a splash park, we have where you can go fishing, but we try to have something so people can enjoy the water.
So, Sally, it's been a long time in the making. So what's it like actually seeing all of the work and actually it's coming to fruition?
It's really exciting, and come out here and spend a lot of time because from one day to the next you can see improvements being made and you can see it really taking shape. We have a lot of people who come out here and just watch to see how far it's going and how far we've gotten along with it.
Okay, excellent. Okay, so we're shooting for May, we're on schedule, and we're hoping by August our grand opening. Okay, Sally Gavlik, thank you so much for joining us.
You're quite welcome.
And we will continue to keep you updated. For the City of McAllen, I'm Roxanne Lerma.